Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what if the moon vanished? It's a thought that might seem like pure science fiction, but let's entertain this idea for a moment. The moon has been our constant companion, a silent guardian in the night sky, influencing our world in ways we often take for granted. It's been our celestial companion for billions of years, shaping our planet's environment and even our evolution. The moon's gravitational pull stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, which in turn regulates our climate and seasons. Without it, our world would be a very different place, a familiar face in the vast darkness. Its presence has inspired countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. From ancient civilizations to modern-day astronomers, the moon has always been a source of wonder and mystery. But imagine waking up one morning, and it's just gone. No warning, no explanation, just an empty void where the moon used to be. The immediate reaction would be one of shock and disbelief. People would flood social media with questions and theories, while scientists would scramble to understand what happened. What would happen to our planet, our tides, even our nights? The moon plays a crucial role in driving the tides. Without it, the ocean's tides would be significantly weaker, affecting marine life and coastal ecosystems. The rhythmic ebb and flow of the tides, which many species rely on, would be disrupted. Without the moon's gentle glow, nights would be significantly darker. The moon reflects sunlight, providing a natural nightlight that has guided humans and animals for millennia. In its absence, the nights would be pitch black, making it harder to navigate and affecting nocturnal wildlife. We're so used to the moon's light that we forget how dark a truly moonless night can be. In urban areas, artificial lights might compensate, but in rural and remote regions, the darkness would be profound and unsettling. Imagine a world where the faint glimmer of stars is all that illuminates the night. Stargazers might rejoice at the clearer view of the cosmos, but for most people, the absence of the moon would be a constant reminder of what we've lost. The disappearance of the moon would be a global event with repercussions we can barely begin to imagine. It would affect not just our environment but also our culture, our science, and our sense of place in the universe. The moon has been a constant in our lives, a symbol of stability and continuity. It would be the biggest mystery humanity has ever faced, leaving us with more questions than answers. How did it disappear? Where did it go? And most importantly, could it ever come back? The loss of the moon would be a profound and unsettling change, challenging our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. The most immediate change we'd notice is the darkness. Imagine stepping outside on a clear night, only to be enveloped in an inky blackness. The absence of the moon would be profoundly unsettling, altering the very essence of our nocturnal experiences. The moon reflects the sun's light, illuminating our nights. This gentle glow has been a constant companion for humanity, guiding travelers, inspiring poets, and providing a sense of calm and security. Without it, our nights would lose a familiar friend. Without it, nights would become pitch black, making it difficult to see and impacting nocturnal animals. Creatures that have evolved to thrive under the moon's soft light would find themselves in a world of confusion and danger. Their routines, hunting patterns, and even mating behaviors could be thrown into disarray. Think about camping or walking at night. It would be a whole new challenge without the moon's light. Campers would need to rely entirely on artificial light sources, changing the serene experience of a moonlit night in the wilderness to one of stark, artificial illumination. The simple joy of a moonlit stroll would be replaced by the harsh glare of flashlights. We'd have to rely heavily on artificial lights, changing our relationship with darkness and energy consumption. Cities would need to increase their lighting infrastructure, leading to higher energy costs and greater light pollution. This could have far-reaching effects on both human health and the environment, disrupting sleep patterns and obscuring the stars. This sudden shift in darkness would also impact animals that depend on the moon's light for navigation and hunting. Many species, from tiny insects to large predators, use the moon as a natural beacon. Without it, their ability to find food and avoid predators would be severely compromised. Owls, bats, and many marine animals would need to adapt quickly to survive. These creatures have finely tuned their senses to operate under the moon's glow. The sudden absence of this light source would force them to evolve new strategies for hunting and navigation, a process that could take generations and lead to significant ecological shifts. The moon's gravity is the primary driver of our planet's tides. Without the moon, the rhythmic rise and fall of ocean levels would be significantly diminished. This would have a profound effect on coastal ecosystems and marine life. Imagine the impact on creatures like crabs, shellfish, and shorebirds that rely on the tides for food and shelter. The delicate balance of these ecosystems would be thrown into disarray. The ocean currents, driven in part by the tides, would also be affected. This could disrupt marine migration patterns and the distribution of nutrients in the ocean. Many animals, especially marine creatures, have biological clocks synchronized with the lunar cycle. The moon's disappearance would disrupt these natural rhythms, impacting breeding patterns and survival. Sea turtles, for example, use the moon's light to guide them to the sea after hatching. Without it, they would be disoriented, vulnerable to predators, and less likely to survive. The impact on coral reefs would be significant, as many coral species synchronize their spawning based on the lunar cycle. This disruption could have cascading effects on the entire reef ecosystem. Section 5. A world without moonlight. The moon isn't just important for nature, it plays a significant role in human culture and activities. Its cycles have influenced calendars, agriculture, and even our artistic expressions. Think about all the poems, songs, and stories inspired by the moon. Our cultural landscape would be quite different without its presence in our art and literature. The moon's disappearance would also affect our scientific endeavors. Astronomers use the moon to study the solar system and the universe beyond. Its absence would create a significant gap in our understanding of space. Section 6. Will the Earth spiral out of control? The moon's gravity also plays a role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt, which is responsible for our seasons. Without the moon, the Earth's tilt could become unstable, leading to dramatic climate shifts over long periods. Imagine a world where seasons become extreme and unpredictable. This would impact agriculture, weather patterns, and the habitability of different regions on Earth. While these changes wouldn't happen overnight, they could have profound consequences for life on Earth in the long term, potentially making our planet less hospitable. Section 7. A new night sky unveiled. While the moon's absence would bring challenges, it would also present a unique opportunity. With darker nights, stargazing would become spectacular. We'd have an unobstructed view of the Milky Way and countless stars, revealing the true splendor of the cosmos. Imagine seeing constellations in their full glory, no longer dimmed by the moon's glow. It would be a stargazer's paradise, prompting us to learn more about the universe that surrounds us. This newfound clarity could lead to new astronomical discoveries and a greater appreciation for the vastness and mystery of space. Section 8. What mysteries remain? The disappearance of the moon would be a global enigma, prompting a wave of scientific inquiry. Imagine the world waking up to a night sky devoid of its most familiar celestial companion. The moon, which has been a constant presence in our lives, guiding tides, influencing cultures, and inspiring countless myths and legends, suddenly gone without a trace. This unprecedented event would send shockwaves through the scientific community and beyond. Where did it go? What caused it to vanish? These questions would dominate headlines and conversations worldwide. Scientists from various fields would come together, pooling their knowledge and resources to solve this cosmic mystery. Theories would abound, ranging from the plausible to the fantastical. Some might suggest a massive cosmic event, while others could speculate about advanced extraterrestrial intervention. The disappearance of the moon would challenge our understanding of the universe in ways we never imagined. Could it happen again? This event would challenge our understanding of physics, astronomy, and the universe itself. The moon's sudden absence would force us to reevaluate our knowledge of celestial mechanics and gravitational forces. It would prompt a re-examination of the fundamental principles that govern our universe. Researchers would delve into historical records, searching for any clues or precedents that might shed light on this baffling phenomenon. The quest for answers would be relentless, driven by humanity's innate curiosity and desire to understand the cosmos. It would be a stark reminder of how much we have yet to learn and the incredible forces at play in the cosmos. The disappearance of the moon would highlight the vastness and complexity of the universe, reminding us of our place within it. It would underscore the limitations of our current scientific knowledge and the need for continued exploration and discovery. This event would serve as a catalyst for new research, inspiring a new generation of scientists and astronomers to push the boundaries of what we know. The moon's disappearance would be a powerful event, forcing us to confront our place in the universe and the interconnectedness of everything around us. The moon has always been a symbol of constancy and stability, its cycles influencing life on Earth in myriad ways. Its sudden absence would disrupt natural rhythms and ecosystems, prompting us to reflect on the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. It would be a poignant reminder of the fragility of our existence and the interconnectedness of all things. It would leave us in awe and wonder, forever gazing at the night sky, searching for answers to the universe's greatest mysteries. The disappearance of the moon would ignite a sense of wonder and curiosity, compelling us to look beyond our immediate surroundings and ponder the mysteries of the cosmos. It would inspire a renewed interest in space exploration and scientific inquiry, driving humanity to seek answers to the profound questions that have always fascinated us. In the end, the moon's disappearance would be a powerful reminder of the boundless mysteries that await our discovery in the vast expanse of the universe.